Hello! Welcome back to another video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I missed you so much. If this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. I would love to have you as one of my cutie Qs. If you can hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications on so that you are reminded every time I post a brand new video. Today I was craving some chicken, some fried chicken. You guys know Love is doing the 7 days of chicken. I take my hat off to her. I don't think I could do it, but it looks so good when she's eating it. So I decided that I wanted to get some fried chicken today. I have sweet chili sauce here. I have some hot sauce. I have some water here. And we are about to get started. I am so hungry. It is so beautiful out, you guys. Today is such a beautiful fall day. I'm loving it. If you're brand new to the channel and you don't like burping, smacking, or moaning, this wouldn't be the video for you to watch. I hope you can find one that you like to watch. Yummy. And it's nice and hot. This chicken came from You guys have got to try. So I have 8 thighs and 4 wings. Thighs are my favorite. Thighs are my absolute favorite. And this chicken came from this chicken came from my grocery store. They make some bomb chicken. Mmm. Mmm. It's hot. Listen. I know a lot of y'all like hot sauce on your chicken. But if you never tried the sweet sauce, mmm. 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 You gotta try the sweet sauce. Mmm. Mmm. It's so crunchy and good. Mmm, 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 mmm. You guys, today is such a beautiful day. Mmm. 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 I remember I was sitting at lunch with this girl one day, and she was like, I don't like fried chicken. I was like, you don't like fried chicken? Who don't like fried chicken? You don't want to see somebody that can eat chicken? My grandmother, oh my gosh. My dad's mom, I have never seen anybody eat chicken. Now, I've seen people eat chicken. They clean the bones. Jamaicans, they clean their bones, okay? Excuse me. My grandmother, she chewed the bones. She literally eats that chicken down to nothing. Mmm. Have you ever seen anybody eat chicken like that? It's unbelievable. Excuse me. What's you guys' favorite thing to put on chicken? I used to date a guy that put ketchup on fried chicken. No. Not on fried chicken like this. Who likes the skin? Skin is the best part. Man, I'm telling you, this is so good. I'm making such a mess. Man, it's so good. Woo! I'm gonna eat one more piece. We're gonna call it a day. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. So crunchy, so juicy. I'm gonna need a nap after this. So good. I am so full, you guys. Do you guys give your dogs bones? Some people give their dogs bones. Dogs love bones. So good. That lipstick did not stand a chance. If you guys were wondering what that was Ruby Woo by MAC. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. A fried chicken mukbang. So delicious. I hope you guys have something amazing to eat for dinner tonight. I love you guys so much. Definitely go ahead and leave your requests down below of what you want to see me eat next. And if I can find it, I will definitely eat it. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, I need my nails done. I'm trying to wait till closer to Halloween to get my nails done because they are looking a mess. I'm trying to wait till closer to Halloween to get my nails done just so that they'll be fresh. But you guys, I don't know. I think I need my nails done. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I love you so much. Make sure that you are spreading love and light. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. I love you.